year and a half, and he just never has been able to get up close to trucks, but he loves them in books. And we also wanted to come to the library and see what books they might have about trucks too.
Well, we saw it at the library because we go to the library all the time, and Urgent loves trucks, so we came. What were the trucks doing? Yeah.
So what was your favorite part, Caleb, about the fire truck? There was a really big seat. What else? Really big horn. What else was a really big wheel? Did you get to sit in the seat? She got to sit in the seat and play with everything and see the big boots and the jacket that the firemen wear, and you got to actually meet a fireman too, right? That was pretty neat.